Amidst the vast and untouched desert landscape stands a unique and dramatic residence, Black Desert House. Designed by Oller and Pejic Architecture, this house is located in Yucca Valley, near Palm Springs, California, offering a living experience that is both integrated with and contrasted against its surroundings. This project began in 2008 when Marc and Michele Atlan contacted the architects to bring their dream of a desert home to life. Unlike the mid-century modern houses that typically dominate the region, the clients desired something more radical, a house that appears like a shadow, blending into the bright desert landscape where only shadows offer respite for the eyes. One of the main challenges in building this house was the condition of the land, which had been altered since the 1960s. The flat area where the house now stands was once a rocky peak that had been leveled for land development. To address this scar, the architects adopted an approach inspired by the Western American tradition of land art. Instead of camouflaging the house within the landscape, they created a form that seemingly replaces the missing mountain, not as a mass of rock, but as the shadow left behind after its removal. The result is an architectural form resembling a glistening black obsidian shard gripping the desert terrain. The living room concept is a modern interpretation of a desert campsite. Set into the hillside, this space features a solid earthen wall that offers a sense of shelter while remaining open to the vast horizon. This ambiance evokes natural refuges, such as the cliff dwellings of the Southwest Native Americans. The house's dark interior further enhances this effect, creating a tranquil, cave-like atmosphere. During the day, the interior recedes, allowing the desert views to take center stage. At night, the house seemingly dissolves into darkness, leaving only soft ambient lighting blending with the stars above. Spanning 145 square meters, the house is designed with a spatial flow that mirrors the journey through the desert landscape. The spaces are arranged linearly, beginning with the living room, followed by the centrally located kitchen and dining area, and ending with the bedrooms. At the heart of this arrangement is an inner courtyard, providing a transitional space and protection from the extreme desert climate. The success of this project was made possible through close collaboration between the clients, architects, and the construction team led by Avian Rogers of Modern Builders. With great dedication, they managed to create a home that is not just a residence, but also a work of art, embodying a dialogue between architecture and the sublime desert landscape. Black Desert House is more than just a home. It is a manifestation of the idea that architecture can interact with nature in a unique and meaningful way. By adopting an unconventional approach, this house successfully creates an atmosphere that balances protection, openness, and a profound connection with its surrounding landscape. It serves as an extraordinary reference for those seeking inspiration in designing homes amidst extreme, yet mesmerizing natural environments. Thank you for watching this video on Block 7. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get more home design inspiration from around the world. See you in the next video.